I'm so excited about this video because watermelon is my favorite food in the world. Seriously, this summer I ate it almost every day. Watermelon is a nutritional powerhouse. It has really endless amount of benefits, and today we're going to talk about some of them. So first, let's look at what nutrients we have in it. I weighed some portion sizes of the watermelon to give you a more accurate picture. Depends on the size of the watermelon. On average, a quarter will be about 1 to 1.5 kilograms. The one I measured is a medium watermelon, so half a watermelon will be around 2 kilograms. So in 1 kilogram of watermelon is 300 calories, and you get tons of vitamin A, vitamin C, B vitamins, copper, magnesium, potassium. There's 6 grams of protein. There's also a nice amount of iron and zinc. As you can see, it's a whole package. Watermelon contains a lot of essential nutrients that are necessary for hundreds of processes inside our body. And to give you some perspective, I don't want to dive too deep in this video into that, but these are some examples to give you an idea of the importance and what systems they're needed for. So for example, for the cardiovascular system, we need potassium, which improves blood circulation and lowers blood pressure. B vitamins, they help create new red blood cells. Zinc, also iron, copper, magnesium. Just to make it clear, these are some of the nutrients which are easily found in watermelon that are necessary for those systems. There are even some more that I haven't mentioned here. Watermelon is also a great recovery meal because it has tons of electrolytes, water and vitamins that are necessary for repair and growth. I really like eating watermelon after my workouts. Alright, I wanted to stop for a moment on the next one, our bones, the skeletal system. This one is interesting because the way a lot of people see nutrients is very isolated and related to very specific parts of our body. So a good example for that is when people think about our bones health, and they usually focus only on calcium. We need, we know bones and calcium go together. Another example for this kind of thinking is vitamin A and our eyes. It's great that we are able to connect nutrients to certain functions in our body, but until we dive deeper, we don't realize that there are a lot of other nutrients related to that specific system. I was surprised to find out that there are so many nutrients that are often neglected in the discussion of bones health. So, for example, some of them are potassium, copper, zinc, vitamin C. Another one is lycopene, which helps to prevent bone loss. And lycopene is a whole topic by itself and an amazing benefit of the watermelon. So there are not many foods that have this phytonutrient, or at least have it in a nice amount. But watermelon is actually high on that list. It is even ranked higher than tomatoes. Let's talk about some roles of the lycopene. So lycopene is a very powerful antioxidant. It assists the body in fighting free radicals, and by that protects our DNA and helps prevent cancer. Lycopene reduces the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. It has an important role in brain function and keeps our neurons healthy. Lycopene is also great for our skin. So besides lycopene, watermelon also contains another carotenoid, the beta-carotene. Both lycopene and beta-carotene can help protect our skin from sunburn. These are actually natural sunscreens, and that's another great benefit of this summer fruit. The next benefit is the high water content in watermelon. There's actually a great debate about the topic of why we should eat our water and not drink it. This is because the water in the foods comes with minerals and provides better hydration for the body. This highly active water assists in removing toxins from the body, in transmission of nutrients from place to place, also the regulation of body temperature, the nourishment of our skin, and many other processes in the body. Watermelon is about 92% water, so that's a really good source for hydration. I'm sure some of you were wondering about the amount of sugar in the watermelon because, a quarter or half a watermelon sounds like a lot. So I made a video exactly about that, getting into details about the sugar in fruits. You can find it in the link in the description below. Ideally, you want to eat your watermelon on an empty stomach, or at least 2 to 3 hours after your last meal, because watermelons digest really fast and it can cause some digestive issues if you still have food left in the stomach. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button below. I'll see you in the next video.